Hi everyone. In this video, we'll try to see dictionary operation inside Python. We have already seen the dictionary introduction and how we can create a dictionary, and we have seen like how we can update values, how we can delete values inside a dictionary. So inside dictionary also we can perform some operations. So let's try to see what are the operation we can perform. So guys, you can see inside dictionary, we can only perform two operations like membership operations and iteration operations. I think you already know what is membership operations. So let me just define one dictionary. Let's say D1, or I can just write D, and I'll just take some, let's say, item here. Let's say name. So let's say this is my dictionary. Now, if I just perform, let's say, I'll just simply write, let's say, Buppy in D. Now just pause the video and let me know what will be the output. See, if I execute this particular program, it will give me false. Why it is giving me false? All the Buppy is present inside this particular dictionary. See, membership operator will only work with respect to the key, not with respect to the value. Now see, if I give the key, if I just write name in D, it will give me true because name is present inside this particular dictionary. Fine. So always try to remember, if you're using membership operator, you have to apply on top of the key, not on top of the value. Okay, I think you got it. You can also apply not in. It will give you false because it is already present inside this particular dictionary. Fine. Okay, so now the next one, we'll try to understand the iteration. So let's try to see the iteration. See, iteration means I can also perform for loop on top of this particular dictionary. I'll just write for I in D, and if I print I, see what it will give me. It will only give me the key. Okay, it will only give me the key. See, all the key it will give me: name, age, gender. Fine, name, age, gender. But if you also want to see the values, what you can do? You can simply apply one trick. You just simply write comma D, and inside that I will pass this particular I, because every time it will update this particular key, right? Every time it will update this particular key, and with the help of this particular concept, I will extract all the values from this particular dictionary. Okay, now if I execute, you'll see that this is my key, this is my value, this is my key, this is my value. Okay, that's how we can also access the value, okay, with the help of iteration. So these are the operation actually we can perform in inside this particular dictionary. Okay, so sometimes actually you need it. Because going forward, let's say whenever you'll be implementing the projects, definitely you have to use this particular concept. So yes, this was a quick video. Thanks for watching.